Hi there and welcome to Dino's Vault once again. First of all, a big thank you to all my viewers out there for helping me cross 600,000 channel hits. So I'm going to try to better my services, and in an effort of doing that, I'm going to include mobile phone and tablet reviews from now on. So we're going to start with a device from the largest mobile phone manufacturer in the world, Samsung. They have always tried to set new standards with each of their launches, and offering best-in-class technology, great fit and finish, trend-setting features, and a reliable after-sales service with an affordable price tag is what has made them retain their top position for quite some time now. And with the Galaxy Alpha, Samsung is announcing a whole new design approach while also trying to set a new benchmark in the premium smartphone segment, not only here in India but also across the world. And as you can see, you have a speaker down there and a micro USB charging port, and you have a complete metal frame, and Samsung claim it is first for the Galaxy device. And you have 3.5 mm jack, you have volume rockers on this side, and you have a power on off button on the other side. Again, the fit and finish is extremely good, and it is super slim at only 6.7 mm and extremely compact in a day and age where the sizes are going insane. Like you have 5 inches and 5.5 inches display. I don't know how you manage to carry that phones of that size, but a 4.7 inch is an ideal size for giving you a good visual experience, and as well as coming in handy. So this comes with a 4.7 inch display. And talking about the battery, you have an 1860 milliampere hour battery, and the battery life per company claim is up to 9 hours for video playback, and up to 37 hours for audio playback, up to 11 hours for 3G talk time, up to 9 hours for internet usage through 3G, and up to 11 hours for Wi-Fi usage. And it also comes with a single SIM slot, a nano SIM slot. It is not a dual SIM phone, and it also does not come with expandable memory. You have inbuilt memory of 32 GB. Again, as you can see, it comes in 3 colors: charcoal black, frosted gold, and dazzling white. What we have here is the frosted gold variant, which looks extremely premium. And talking about the height, width, and depth, you have 132.4 millimeters of height, 65.5 millimeters of width, and as I said, it is 6.7 millimeters thin, and weight is 115 grams. It powers up nice and easily, and as you can see, the Super AMOLED display is you have 11.9 centimeter 4.7 inch Super AMOLED display, which is extremely good, with a display resolution of 1280 by 720. And you have to experience it in person. I'm trying to capture it in the best way possible, but it is extremely vivid, very clear, very sharp, very vibrant. And as you can see, the you have snaps taken to give you an example as to how good the color reproduction is, and the camera quality is also extremely good. You have talking about the camera, you have main camera, 12 megapixel main camera, and a 2.1 megapixel front camera, and it comes with a LED flash and autofocus. You have plenty of customization options as far as editing options as well. So, and talking about the video recording resolution, you have Ultra HD 4K video recording, which is again extremely good, and pixel resolution is 3840 by 2160 pixels, and it records at 30 frames per second. The aspect ratio is 16:9 or 1.78:1. And as you can see, the color reproduction, it really gives you a pleasurable experience, outstanding visual experience for you. And that's what you expect after a hectic day's work. You want to just refresh your senses, and you just need to turn on this device, and the colors really come alive, and they manage to refresh your senses. And talking about the audio and video format supported, it supports almost every audio and video format, but we usually use the MX player, so which supports all kind of video formats. So that is pretty much it. SAR value or SAR value is 0.826 watts per kilogram, and we have KitKat 4.4.4 out of the box, and it is upgradable to Lollipop in the future. That's what they say. As you can see, it comes with KitKat. So apart from that, we'll check the storage as well. As I mentioned, it comes with 32 GB of internal memory, but let's see how much of it is available for usage after the internal apps or the pre-installed apps have used some of the memory. So as you can see, you have 32 GB of total space, but you have cached data, and down here available space, available space is 22.52 GB. I guess it will come in handy because unless and until you try to download a whole lot of movies and high resolution videos, it should come in handy. So I feel it's more than sufficient. And apart from that, let's check out the RAM available. They say it is 2 GB of RAM. It's supposed to have 2 GB of RAM, and this is the device memory, I guess, again. So we'll just swipe across. As you can see, you have 23 GB free of the device memory, and let me swipe across. And with the running apps, you have around 1 GB free, and I think 800 plus MB is used for the pre-installed apps or the running apps, and you have 1 GB of RAM free, which is pretty useful. I believe high-end games will run without any lag, and even videos, high resolution videos with high speed chase sequences shouldn't lag at all. So this is a pretty decent configuration if you're looking for performance on your phone. And another thing is, it's a Cat 6 device or LTE category 6 device that supports speeds up to 300 Mbps, which again is a new benchmark. I think the category 5 devices supported around 150 Mbps, but this supports twice as much speed, which is extremely good. And you have Angry Birds, I think is pre-installed. And the Star Wars, I feel, is one of the best versions out so far, so you can really enjoy playing this. And you also have the new Transformers variant, the game released for Angry Birds, but I thoroughly enjoyed the Angry Birds Star Wars version. So as you go, it runs pretty smoothly, and the touch response is great. You have all sorts of sensors you can think of. You have accelerometer, you have a gyro sensor, a geomagnetic sensor, you have a hall sensor, lights, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, a gesture sensor, and fingerprint sensor as well, and HR sensor. And this is another game that is pre-installed. It is Jumping Pulley or Jumping Police. So you have a police car jumping all over the place. So it's also, the colors are nice and soft and pleasing and soothing to the eye. So you should enjoy playing this game. A cute looking car out there, and at the end of the day, you want to relax, and I think such kind of visuals would be soothing to the eye. And apart from that, you also have an ultra saving mode, and Samsung claim it shuts down unnecessary apps and functions to optimize battery life. You also get private mode to restrict access to confidential data stored in the phone, so we have that private mode as well. Let's check out the camera clarity. And, as mentioned, it comes with autofocus, plenty of editing options. So this is the snap. As you can see, it has come out really well. The colors are nice and bright. There's no noise. And I'll check out the video playback. This is the demo video which you can see in some of the LED TVs or 3D TVs manufactured by Samsung as well. Again, the video playback is extremely smooth and fluid, and apart from that, you have the connectivity options. If I haven't mentioned already, you have the USB 2.0, you have Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct, you have Bluetooth 4.0, so which is extremely good as well. And as you can see, the chase sequence would run very smoothly, and this display quality is one of the best out there. You have to experience it for yourself. It's a brilliant visual experience. At least that's what we expect from the market leader. We want something special, something outstanding each time they come out with a new launch. So that's exactly what they are providing. In fact, they are challenging us by providing a whole set of new features each time. So I guess that's what makes them number one. So here are the multitasking options as well. You can just play the video simultaneously. You can minimize it on the desktop, and home screen, and you can just chat with your friends at the same time. So there you go, that's about it. So it's very practical, versatile, and feature packed to the brim. So that's about it for now. I just hope this video was useful. Until next time, this is Dino saying ciao, take care, and God bless.